Hello YouTube, this is actually right after I finished the second part of the first part and I figured I will hear people saying, well, he didn't record anything or whatever, so oh, this is
Time
loud.
reset. Please calibrate by connecting to your mobile phone. Please insert SD card.
Well, I won't calibrate it now, but I did take 16 gigabyte micro SD card out of my GoPro.
Please format SD card.
So let's format that and see what happens. If we will get, please change time in settings. I do not want to do that right now. Okay, here you have all kinds of settings. So it does have, obviously I didn't even say that at the first videos, it does have Wi-Fi hotspot, so you can turn that on. And here it says the hotspot name and the password. And once you turn it on, your phone connects to it, and then you can use your phone as a viewfinder and you can watch the videos on your phone, the recorded videos. Here you have collision sensitivity between low, disable, low and high, and then you have format SD card, which we did. Screen time you can adjust here. How do I go back? Oh, okay. Screen off time, language, Chinese and English. Let's take English for today. Advanced settings, power on Wi-Fi, video decoding. This is it. That's what I meant between the Pro. The regular one has H.264 and this one has H.265, which has a higher compression rate or higher data bit rate. And here I have your video resolution. It's not even set to maximum, so you have the choice of 3. And let's actually take the highest one. And then you have recording duration. That's probably because it's looping between 1, 2 and 3 minutes. VDR, I have no clue what it is. I will check and let you know later on. Speaker volume, oh okay, let's please keep that low. Oh, actually you can turn it off. So I wonder if the lady's voice is gone too. Okay, power on sound, that we can disable too because that's gonna get annoying. Voice control enable. Okay, voice control enable, disable. We do disable that. Parking surveillance enable. Sensitivity, turn off cam time. That's that. Well, since I didn't turn it on, it said that. Sensitivity, okay, go out. Next is ADAS. Oh, that's the GPS module. Oh, okay. Well, actually, let's turn it off and turn on or plug in the GPS, because that's how I'm gonna use it, obviously. Turn it back on. ADAS, confirm. Okay, move dash cam to align car head with the highlight area, the car head. So okay, let's pretend this is our car. Turn the lens to ensure that the distance is within the highlighted area. Done.
As calibration starts, please keep your speed at 20 kilometers per hour or higher.
Oh, did you understand what you said? It's calibrating. Well, I guess you do that in the car and not on your desk. Okay, let's see if you can get out of that. No. I guess we're recording now since it's green. And let's record some German television at my desk. Recording has been closed.
Start recording emergency video.
Okay. I remember one review who said you can't turn off or stop the emergency video recording. So bada bing bada boom, you have an accident. Not funny. Sorry. Okay, I hear the people complain that I show things. Then gallery will show continue. Yes. Normal. Oh, let's see. Haha, we can. This is obviously the recorded video. And here you see the speed. Ah, see, I didn't know that. So it will show you speed. It does show you the date and the time of the recording, but it will show you obviously once the GPS has a lock, it will show you that as well. Okay, out. Oh, hold on. Okay, let's try the other one. That was the collision. And here you can playback speed. I like this even better. I haven't seen these. I do like that. Well, the good thing is actually, since it is, I mean, you can slide it off and take it with you, and instead of, or just take the micro SD card, obviously, but yeah, but I do like this. I really do like it. Okay, next video. I didn't even know that we shot this many videos. So let's get to the emergency. Well, that was the one emergency we did record. Recording time was 1:10, and it's playing that back. Photo, I did not take any photo. No photos.
Calibration failed.
Yeah, I know, because I didn't do it. Okay, this is the library, I mean the gallery, what am I talking about? And okay, so this button is settings, library, I mean gallery, and this is, oh no. Oh, even if you turn it off, it's still recording the video. I see here 2 lines and an X. Looks like lane following, but that's not gonna be here. Well, I don't know what. Okay. Recording. Oh, recording starts. Recording has been closed. So okay, this is it, and this is your power button. So this is as much I can show you, not installed in the car. The build quality is excellent. I can really not say anything bad about it. Oh, it does have a battery, built-in battery. Battery low. Okay, I guess we need to charge that. I wonder how long that's gonna last, because as far as I remember, it's a 500 milliamp battery. So, but this is it. There's no adjustment for the camera. So it's a fixed lens with my fingerprint on it. It's a wide angle lens, obviously. You can get the details on the website. I will put the website in the description of the video, which is an affiliate link. So anything you buy, I will get a small percentage, which does help. Every little bit helps. So this was it, and the next video will be me installing it in the car, and then hopefully going for a test run or test drive, and we see what it can do. Thanks for watching and take care, everybody.